Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of guppy fish. First, let's talk about their home. Guppies are small but active, so a 5-gallon tank is the minimum for a single fish, with 10 gallons or more being ideal for a small group. You'll also need to keep the water warm, between 72 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit, using a reliable heater. Finally, ensure you have a good filter to maintain clean, healthy water for your guppies. Maintaining excellent water quality is crucial for your guppies' well-being. Aim for weekly water changes, replacing 25% to 50% of the tank's water to keep it fresh and free of harmful nitrates. Regularly test your water for ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate levels using an aquarium test kit. Also, strive to keep the pH stable, ideally between 6, 8, and 7. 8. To provide a comfortable and healthy habitat for your fish. When it comes to feeding your guppies, moderation is key. Offer small meals 2 to 3 times a day, providing only what they can consume within 1 to 2 minutes. A varied diet is best, including high-quality flake food supplemented with treats like brine shrimp or bloodworms. Remember, overfeeding is a common mistake that can quickly lead to poor water quality and potential health problems for your fish. Keeping an eye on your guppy's health is important. Watch for any unusual behavior or physical changes, which could indicate illness. If you're interested in breeding, guppies are prolific. A single female can give birth to between 20 and 50 fry approximately every month. Provide plenty of live plants or other hiding spots to give the fry a safe place to grow, as adult guppies may eat their young.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.